Moving water from the south sounds simple, but the infrastructure has taken over a decade to build, and the cutting-edge skills have been pushed to the extreme. This 9-kilometer-long canal is known as the world's biggest and most sophisticated aqueduct ever built. China's water diversion project is unprecedented, not only for its water volume and distance, but also it includes some of the most challenging engineering feats ever seen. Walking on this mega project, you can feel its strength. Senior engineer Yu Pengtao says the raised aqueduct is less costly than digging a tunnel underground.
This aqueduct is no doubt the #1 such construction in the world in regards to water capacity and scale and weight. The design requires high precision and a scientific approach.
The project is built to last a century. Yu Pengtao is proud it's becoming a Henan landmark. The middle route has been built entirely from scratch. The crew has solved numerous challenges, mixing fresh concrete with the old to raise the dam height, application of shield drilling techniques to dig tunnels, and construction on poor soil conditions. The budget for the central route is about 140 billion yuan, that's over $20 billion. The actual cost is even more. We got a chance to visit the supporting facilities in Beijing. As high as a 15-story building hidden below the city. Beijing chose its underground to make it easier to ensure water quality and avoid additional costs for relocation and land.
The biggest obstacle for Beijing's underground water tunnels is they must cross through numerous high-risk locations on the ground, such as superhighways, subways, bridges, and landmark infrastructure. So far, we have almost completed all constructions and waiting for the big moment.
The tunnels are different from ones that run through mountains. They have inside and outside layers of reinforced concrete to prevent water from getting in or out. Over 1 billion cubic meters of water are expected to flow to the capital each year. I could be one of the few people who could still walk inside this water tunnel. In Beijing, it stretches over 80 kilometers. It will transport some 2/3 of the total volume of incoming water from the south. Next to the Summer Palace is the newly built Quenching Reservoir. It's the final destination of the diversion project. Man has done all he can. Now it's up to nature to bring enough water northwards. Han Bin, CCTV, Beijing.